I told you there was gonna be monkey.
There's a baby. Oh. So we'll open the door. You take them. You take them. Oh, so many monkeys. They're asking something.
I saw Pastor Bob. Monkey doing? Daddy, Pastor Bob is throwing the food. Why I see a monkey doing like this?
Who's so big?
So you're gonna... Oh, ang cellphone yan oh. Eh, monkey later will take your phone ha.
Oh yeah, the monkey will snatch it. I want to see baby monkey. Oh, the monkey is on the train. That's not the train, that's the train. No, the train.
Later if you have some food, we can give them.
How fast are the monkeys? Wait, he's a baboon.
So many baboons. So you go down and kick.
Bats! I see a bot.
Yes, in front.
Ew! Oh, I guess they are baby baboon. Look at that bat.
Oh,
I really
there's
see
a
they're
baby.
bats.
May talaga. Hindi sila maano kay...
What?
Hello, monkeys!
What is a bot?
Hello!
That's a footpath.
Then the monkeys will ask $1 to be in a picture.
I can get the monkeys.
Hindi sila makita.
It will be they're on the road. It'll be yucky if he got the coconut. Coconut. The monkey. It will be disgusting if the monkey gonna poop and then I kick the monkey's butt and poop will fly everywhere. Oh, the monkey
Hello,
jumped.
monkey!
The monkey's good jumpers.
Say hello, very big. Oh, hello.
Why did you like that?
So handsome.
Handsome monkey.
Yeah.
First time we see monkeys.
Handsome.
Why? When the
Monkey.
What's it raining?
Rock formation.
Because there's a lot of
This
clouds here.
city of monkey.
The city of
Oh, there's a monkey again.
monkey. He needs shelter. No, monkey doesn't like shelter. They want to take a bath in the rain.
Oh, there's shelters there.
Big butt. No,
It's
there's
like-
shelter. I see a monkey do that. It's so big. Wait, people who ride motorbike and there's a lot of monkeys, they make whee. Yeah. Imagine you're riding a motorbike. Oh yeah. Wait, wait. Imagine it's waiting. They're waiting for them to have attention. What if I make a machine that can wait
There.
and then monkeys?
They're waiting. They're waiting for something. Look at that. They
The
are.
monkey's waiting for me to kick them.
They are so handsome.
No,
Oh,
they're-
very small. Oh.
Baby monkey.
What's here?
So cold now.